In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix failed transaction error in MetaMask. If a swap or transfer keeps failing or gets stuck, it usually comes down to one of a few things. The transaction is pending in the queue, the gas settings weren't high enough for current network conditions, or there isn't enough balance to cover both the amount and the gas fee. Let's walk through a clean way to diagnose and clear things so you can try again with confidence. First, go to MetaMask. You can use the extension or the web interface. Either way is fine. Make sure you're looking at the correct wallet and network so the activity you're reviewing matches what you expected to send. Next, open the transactions view. This gives you a timeline of what's pending, confirmed, or failed. A pending item that never confirms is often the cause of later failures because it can block newer transactions behind it. Give the list a quick scan so you know exactly which transaction is causing the issue. If a transaction is stuck, select it and choose Cancel. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. This sends a replacement transaction that tells the network to drop the earlier one, helping clear your queue. Keep in mind that a small gas fee is required to cancel, and it may take a moment to finalize. Once it's processed, that stuck item should no longer hold up other actions. At the top right, open MetaMask so you can double check your account details. Now verify you have enough balance including gas. On every network, gas is paid in the network's native token, not the token you're sending. For example, even if you're transferring a token, you still need the native coin of that chain to cover fees. If your balance is too low, transactions can fail before they even start. Open the three horizontal lines at the top to access the main menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, open Advanced. Here, use Clear Activity. This clears the local activity list inside your wallet and refreshes the way your recent transactions display. It doesn't delete anything on-chain or reverse a confirmed transaction. It simply removes stale or confusing entries from your view so you can start fresh. After you've canceled any stuck item, ensured you have enough balance for gas, and cleared the local activity, your wallet should be in a clean state. That's the most reliable path to resolving the failed transaction error in MetaMask and preventing the same issue from repeating.